Greetings from Naresh IT. We are excited to announce our new batch on UI full stack web development with React Classroom and online training, led by our experienced faculty member Mr. Sudhakar Sharma. Topics covered: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery with Ajax, Bootstrap 5, React 18, TypeScript, ES6, Node.js, MongoDB, Express.js. The batch is scheduled to start on 9th October at 5 p.m. This is a wonderful chance to increase your knowledge and experience in the industry. Don't miss this opportunity to expand your knowledge and experience. Just scan the QR code for a quick registration procedure. Join us today and push your career to new heights.